Good morning, Harriet. They say this is spring. Doesn't feel like spring to me. It's still cold, but there's no snow on the ground, as y'all can see. So, we're out here so she can do her thing. Only reason why I wake up early. I'm working like later in the day, so, early mornings it's strictly for taking her out. Otherwise, I'd be sleeping and I'm not that energetic. There ain't nobody here. I don't see people. I don't see other dogs. I don't even see those squirrels and rabbits you like to chase. So, you don't need to be barking and waking up the neighborhood. Well, those that aren't up yet. Okay? Just be cool.